Okay. Today I'm gonna cover two things: what price did, and then how I interacted with it. Um, we go to the daily chart, and holy man, look at that! Look at that! That's something else. A big push into the new all-time highs in ES, and then go to Nasdaq, and yeah, sheesh, it just cut through all this liquidity I was looking at. Took out the fair value gap, took out these relative equal highs, fair value gap, all-time highs. Yeah, so we could take all of these out now. Um, these are all liquidity pools that are probably going to be touched for the rest of the week. It is NFP Friday though, so we do not know that for sure. We have 2 days left, but this Wednesday candle was something else. Very solid though, very solid. This was intraday sell side liquidity. I saw these are my. This is the trade that I took earlier today. So let's go over here, right over here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this line here because we're gonna need it. So daily high, right? This, let's put it in like a darkish green. Daily high gets taken out here. Come up, take out that high once more. Notice how here we don't leave any market structure shift with the fair value gap. That would have happened here. Okay. Doesn't happen. Look at where the candle closes. Yeah, I would have liked it to close all the way down here, and then the high of the next candle barely reach into this, but you can see that that didn't happen, right? Comes up, blah 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 blah, until this right here, this candle at 2 o'clock. It does break this low and leave a small fair value gap here. We came up, overtook that low fair value gap, so I'm gonna show everything and why I even took this trade. But respected the mean threshold of this order block, right? So that was cool. Came back lower, made good what bearish market structure here. As price was delivering lower, we left a good fair value gap that took out these lows too. So as prices retrace it into the 50% or consequent encroachment of this level, I was going short. I was expecting, sell stops to be taken out right here. I like this fair value gap as a good target as well. So I bought that. I sold it. Sold one here as we close underneath. And then I sold one as we took out this candle's high right here, because I saw that as a potential turtle soup, which is basically a right on liquidity buy. However, shortly after, we got this black candle, which I was really confident about. But then this very next candle should not be doing that, especially if we're in a downward move. You want to see respect of that white up close candle right there, because that should be order block theory. And yeah, close underneath it, respected the consequent encroachment, and I was like, dang. So ended up getting stopped out on this candle right here, as I think I put my stop loss above this candle's high, which I shouldn't have. I should have left it behind this candle's low. I don't know that my neck is just. All right, my bad. What was it? This candle's high? Yeah, this candle's high. And yeah, keep in mind something happened before this that I probably shouldn't have participated with the markets, but I kept risk really small. It was only a $50 loss, and that's something I'm willing to take as a hit. This is model 22 after all, so did I force it? Maybe. This is why NFP week is very tricky sometimes. You're gonna get these wild daily candles that just don't stop, especially when you expect them to, and this was an example of that. So after that, price kept going higher, come 350, come down lower, wipe these sell stops out, and then close at we close at the high end of the daily range. 5 o'clock comes around, or 4 o'clock comes around, and even then we're closing over here at damn near the high of the day. So very manipulative. I'm glad I only took one trade, and it doesn't hurt me at all. It's a $50 loss. That is half of 1% of my original count size. So we're fine. Losses suck, but that's why you manage risk, so that they don't hurt. They don't sting. They'll hurt, but they won't sting. It's a bumblebee sting, not a yellow jacket sting. Okay. And now, today, what the fuck? Oh yeah, we have the all-time high, and we're kind of trading lower right now. Yeah, I'm not really interested in anything, to be honest. Like, NFP week can, kiss my behind and leave it at that, because there's nothing really for me to partake in here. Nothing I like, within all this intraday stuff, and when price is taking out daily highs and all that, man, I'm golden. I'm a really good trader. But when it comes to new all-time highs, and all we can rely on are projections of where price is going, yeah, I'm not really gonna put my money on that. So we'll take out all of these. Yeah, it should be a pretty mundane week. All right.